In front of me is Redmi Note 14s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, use the same clipboard icon and tap on your text here. If you want to use it after an hour, you need to pin it. To do that, hold your sentence, hit pin icon, and to unpin it, do exactly the same. If you want to delete it though, you can hold it again and click on delete option, or simply swipe it to the right. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!